Hey, Rain Nation, I'm Jen Josie, and welcome back to the Real Estate Investor Growth Network channel, where we help you grow as a real estate investor. Today, we are diving into something super important, which is 5 red flags to watch out for when you are buying a property. Whether you're a seasoned real estate investor or just starting out, spotting these red flags early can save you a ton of money and headaches. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's dive in. Number 1, foundation issues. The foundation is literally what holds the property together. Look for cracks in the wall, uneven floors, or doors that don't close properly. These could be signs of costly repairs, and trust me, foundation fixes aren't cheap. Number 2, water damage. Water stains on ceilings or walls, musty smells, or mold are all signs of water damage. This could mean plumbing issues or roof leaks. If you see these signs, run or at least hire a very reputable plumber for an inspection. Number 3, poor renovation work. Sometimes sellers try to cover up problems with quick, cheap fixes. If you notice uneven floors, mismatched paint, or poorly installed fixtures, it could mean the property was not renovated properly. Don't inherit somebody else's shortcuts. Number 4, neighborhood decline. Always check the neighborhood. If you see boarded up homes, high crime rates, or declining property values, it might not be the best investment. Remember, location is key in real estate. Number 5, overpriced properties. Just because a property looks great doesn't mean it's worth the asking price. Always compare it to similar properties in the area. Use tools like Flipper Force or consult a trusted real estate agent to make sure you're not overpaying. So, there you have it. 5 red flags to watch out for when buying a property. Foundation issues, water damage, poor renovation work, neighborhood decline, and overpriced properties. Spotting these early can save you from a major headache and help you make smarter investment decisions. Always remember to do your due diligence. So, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with a red flag that you know of. Let's inspire each other, Rain Nation. And if you're ready to connect with a community of badass investors who are crushing their goals, come join us at Rain, the Real Estate Investor Growth Network. Visit rainmastermind.com to learn more and take your real estate journey to the next level. Until next time, Rain Nation, now go out there and share your badassery. And don't forget, make it a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Whoop, whoop.